Automate your document workflows and connect your business with hundreds of apps by integrating Zapier and Pandadoc today. Let's get started by heading over to Zapier and clicking on the Create Zap button. This will open up a new workflow, your very own Zap. First, we need to define our trigger. This is the event that will kick off your automation in the Choose App and Event section. Search for the app that will start your Zap, for example. If you want a new line item in your CRM to trigger a document, you'd select your CRM here. Once you've selected your trigger app, choose the specific event that should initiate the Zap. This could be a new lead, an updated record, or any other relevant action. Next, connect your trigger app account to Zapier by following the on-screen prompts. This usually involves granting Zapier permission to access your data. Zapier will then pull in sample data from your trigger app. This is crucial for setting up the next step. So make sure the data you see is representative of what you expect. Now it's time for the action. In the next Choose App and Event section, search for Pandadoc. This is the application that will perform an action in response to your trigger. Select the action you want Pandadoc to perform. Common options include creating a new document, sending a document for signature, or updating document status. Connect your Pandadoc account to Zapier. By authenticating your credentials, ensure you're logged into the correct Pandadoc workspace. This is where the magic happens. In the Setup action step, you'll map the data from your trigger app to the fields in Pandadoc. For instance, you can pull the client's name from your CRM and map it directly to the recipient's name in your Pandadoc template. Carefully select the corresponding fields. For example, you might map the email field from your trigger app to the recipient email field in Pandadoc. Before you finish, it's essential to test your action. Click the Test Action button to send a sample document through your configured Zap. This helps you catch any errors before going live. Once you've confirmed the test was successful, give your Zap a descriptive name and then hit the Publish Zap button. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated Zapier with Pandadoc. Start automating your document processes today and unlock powerful business efficiencies across all your connected applications.